Let's look at the market technically. There's a lot of going on right now, ranging from policy changes to the war, and a lot of different things are affecting the crypto market. Let us look at the market together, where it's going to in the next couple of days. Okay, so one thing you have to do is you have to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to be using this alpha flow indicator, which is a smart money indicator. If you ever need one, please feel free to click on the link in the description to get one for yourself. So let's just dive right in right now.
Supreme Leader!
Nadal!
We are just months away from refining weapons-grade uranium. We are set to test the missile next week.
It is too round on the top, it needs to be pointy. Round is not scary, pointy is scary. This will put a smile on the faces of the enemy.
Sticks in the ground and then kaboom! Perhaps some of your information about bombs is coming from cartoons.
Alright guys, so here we are. Let's look at the market based on the market structure. You can see I'm using the alpha flow indicator right here, so in case you need one, feel free to check in the description, the first link. That's it right there. Now let's look at it from the market structure. Let's confirm what market structure we're actually operating on right now. Now you can see that there has been a break of structure right here, and you can also see that there is also some change of character, clear bearish change of character after the break of structure, signaling structure intent to reverse from the short-term structure that you can see here. Change of character, and the market may or may not reverse, okay, because of the change of character right here. So now after forming a higher low right here, we could see that BTC broke the lower high and a second change of character, signaling a bullish move. So market is shifting from bearish, which is here, to a bullish direction right now. So now we've confirmed from the structure of the market right now that the market is shifting from bearish to a potential bullish continuation. So now let's look at the smart money zone. All these other blocks you are seeing here, they are smart money zone. You could see the different percentages of orders, of buy orders at different positions right there, okay, which you don't see on some regular indicators though. So you have to get this indicator. So if you must see this now, this establishes some potential resistance, support or resistance, just as you can see it right there. Okay, so now a bullish order block lies around here, which is automatically drawn by this indicator right here around this 104 and 105 price range, and bounce, and there's a bounce of right there. So a previous bearish order block between 109, let me see, 109 and 1011, which is this one right here, could act as a supply resistance in short term. So which means that anytime market breaks above this resistance right here, it's bound to explode, okay, but it will act as a short term resistance. Okay, so the liquidity zone, as you can see right there, the buy side liquidity resting above the 112,000 mark. So magnet zone for smart money. So this zone rests above here. So sell side swept around, the sell side swept around $104,000 range, suggesting manipulation and accumulation. That's just right here. So there's an imbalance right here. The imbalance here is that there's a visible imbalance, fair value gap between 106 and then $108,000, $106,000 and $108,000. There is an imbalance right there. So before the market further moves to this extent right here. So let's look at the momentum and the volume shifting. So you can see that there is a green bullish candle forming after consolidation. That is after this consolidation, there is a green candle forming, so which entails a rising momentum. So there is also break from tight consolidation range, suggesting that the volume is likely increasing, favoring an upward movement. Okay, so no major weak exhaustion. So it also means that momentum is still valued. So here now, this momentum is still very strong, and mind you, we are looking at this on a daily time frame. So let's look at some entry and exit, and that this is what you are looking for at this point of the video. So now, after the green bullish candle closes above $107,000 right here, confirming this change of character right here, wait for minor retracement, which may retrace to about $106,000 to $106,800 to $107,800, a minor retracement before entering. Then put your SL. Your SL should be around below 105,500. That's below 105,500. Okay, that's where your SL should be, and then you should put your TP around 110,000. That is if you're trading for a short time, your TP should be about 110,000, because of course you can see that there is a very strong resistance right here. Then you can put a second take profit at about 112,000 too. So recent price reclaim 108,000 if you went as far as 110,000. So there's a very high chance that we might be looking at 115,000 if the fundamental occurrences like a war doesn't really play much into the chart. Okay, and some bearish scenario is that if price fails to hold above 106,000, if it fails to hold above 106,000 and breaks below 104,000, we might revisit $101,000, possibly $98,000 zone, and unlikely unless major news or weight manipulation comes into play, which we expect though. So trader psychology that you should apply right here is, so why trading based on this analysis? One thing you should take note of the economic and economic news going on, and they're ranging from the war happening in between Israel and Iran, and then some other policy impact. You should take note of that. Okay, then in conclusion right here, you have to, BTC is showing a very good sign of bullish recovery backed by bullish change of character, other block bounce, which we see here. It was a really good bounce all the way from here and up here, and the candles is really strong and bullish. Okay, so there's a clear liquidity target at 112,000. so this doesn't look like it's ending anytime soon. Target is definitely somewhere around here unless other factor acts in. So unless invalidated below 104,000, it is highly likely to rally in the next 1 to 3 days, and that may favor altcoins, even though altcoins have been performing very badly recently. So